good popcorn. The good popcorn.
Best popcorn ever, according to me.
Ever.
The best popcorn
Ever.
The best popcorn
Ever.
Wait, how's the
Your mind.
A little bit in love with you.
Ay, ganon? Ang binaklar mo? Sabi ko na, you've never been like me.
You know the party song too?
Woo! Go ahead. Just that. Okay.
Thank you. That's good. Thank you.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers to yourself.
Legally?
Oh,
She's so good.
it's hot. It's
Sit.
hot.
So good.
Yeah.
Even the original a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit in love with you.
You can't see her.
It's Drake and look at me. Drake is a Torontonian.
Oh, I know.
Right?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you happy? I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Feeling good. I'm feeling good.
I'm not feeling good. I'm drunk.
Oh, that's so
We
good.
know you are. Magdalaman ka ba ito? Sabi namin ni York.
Okay lang yan. Lahat tayo magkano.
We're making
Ami, what are you eating?
coffee. Drinking coffee.
Oh, yay.
Oh, I love my couch.
Ngayon.
Tita?
Go ahead, Amelia.
Tita.
Go ahead, Amelia. Show us what you got. All right. Yeah.
To realizing your dreams.
To realizing your red leather dreams.
Red leather.
Fucking couch dreams.
Some red leather fucking.
Red leather.
Red leather fucking.
That you've wanted for the past 10 years.
Yes.
That's right.
And tomorrow, baby, a TV.